The European Alps. They are a breathtaking natural wonder of the world, but for global trade and transportation, they represent an absolute logistical nightmare. For centuries, crossing this massive mountain range meant navigating dangerous, winding passes or sitting in endless gridlock. But right now, deep beneath the heavy rock, engineers are fighting back. They are pulling off one of the most audacious megaprojects in human history, boring a massive, 64-kilometer rail connection directly through the mountain's base. Welcome back to the Engineering Vault. Today, we're going deep underground to witness the impossible construction of the record-breaking Brenner Base Tunnel. This multi-billion-dollar rail link will connect Austria to Italy, completely bypassing one of the most congested mountain bottlenecks in all of Europe. It is a high-stakes $11 billion gamble against the brutal forces of nature itself. To conquer this geographic barrier, engineers had to throw out the traditional blueprint and invent an entirely new approach to tunneling. The Brenner Base Tunnel isn't just a single track underground. It is a highly complex, interconnected triple-tube subterranean network. Two massive outer tubes are designed to handle high-speed passenger and heavy freight traffic running perfectly parallel to each other. Meanwhile, a third, smaller exploratory tunnel runs directly between them, positioned slightly lower in the rock face. In total, crews must excavate a mind-boggling 230 kilometers of underground pathways. Small cross-passage connection tunnels link the main tubes every 300 meters for safety, creating a highly strategic underground labyrinth. The design even includes 3 massive emergency stations built deep within the mountain rock, providing safe havens capable of handling thousands of passengers in a crisis. But building this subterranean world means descending into an environment of pure chaos. At its lowest point, workers operate more than 1,600 meters beneath the surface. At this extreme depth, the sheer weight of the mountain above creates an unimaginable overburden pressure. The rock behaves unpredictably, bending heavy steel supports like twigs. Even worse, the solid granite can literally explode inward without warning, a terrifying phenomenon known as a rockburst. To survive, construction crews deploy advanced robotic defense shields. The exact second a rock face is blasted open, automated arms instantly coat the surface with high-velocity liquid concrete known as shotcrete, reinforced with high-strength steel mesh. This rapid response stabilizes the mountain walls before a catastrophic collapse can occur, keeping the brave workers safe from the crushing forces of the earth. To push through this brutal geological environment, engineers brought out the ultimate monsters of modern construction: tunnel boring machines, or TBMs. These mobile factories are longer than entire football fields and chew through mountains 24 hours a day. At the front is a colossal circular cutter head lined with dozens of hardened steel alloy discs. As this giant wheel rotates, it exerts millions of pounds of force, crushing solid granite into fine gravel. This muck is instantly scooped up and sent out of the tunnel on high-speed conveyor belts. Simultaneously, rear of the machine automatically installs massive pre-cast concrete lining segments, creating a flawless, interlocking protective ring. Navigating these blind giants requires absolute pinpoint accuracy. Engineers use guidance lasers and satellite tracking to monitor every single millimeter, ensuring that teams digging from opposite countries meet perfectly in the middle. The intense precision paid off when the central tunnels achieved a historic breakthrough, connecting Austria and Italy underground for the very first time. With excavation complete, the project has entered its final, high-tech phase. Armies of workers are installing miles of heavy steel tracks, massive ventilation systems, and complex high-voltage electrical grids along the tunnel ceilings. When it officially opens, the Brenner Base Tunnel will fundamentally transform European transportation. It will take thousands of carbon-emitting freight trucks off the mountain passes and shift millions of tons of cargo onto clean, green electric rail. High-speed passenger trains will rocket through the mountain base at 250 kilometers per hour, slashing travel times down to just 25 minutes. It is a multi-billion-dollar triumph of human ingenuity. To explore more incredible megaprojects, subscribe to the Engineering Vault.